We'll move on now to other dependent credit. So other dependent credit is a credit for all of your dependents that don't qualify for the child tax credit. And this is a non-refundable credit of flat $500 per qualifying dependent. This uses the same rules as both types of dependents. Your other dependent might be a qualifying child, or they could be a qualifying relative. But remember, the rules for dependent says that your dependent can be a resident of Canada or Mexico, but for the other dependent credit, they have to be a resident of the U.S. or a citizen or national of the U.S. There's no age limit. You can claim your grandpa and get a $500 credit. But remember that other dependent, the qualifying relative qualifications are pretty strict. Most of the gross income test, which is they have to have gross income under $4,700.
So for other dependent credit, if your girlfriend and their kid live with you all year, you can claim other dependent credit for them.
Yeah. So yeah, and that'll be $500 for each of them, or $1,000 credit total. It's a non-refundable credit. So if your tax was only $567, it'll wipe out your tax and you'll lose the remainder.
Do you still get that other dependent credit, like in his example, if somebody else is claiming that child though?
No.
No, okay.
No, remember one of the first requirement for a qualifying relative is that nobody can claim it as a qualifying child. Okay, and then for purposes of calculating the additional child tax credit, we include that $500 as part of your unused child tax credit, but it's still subject to the same limitations.